Hey students, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE DA 2025, question number 47. Consider a database relation R with attribute A, B, C, D, E, F, G and having the following functional dependency. These are the functional dependency. Which of the following statement is or are correct? And 4 options are given. Let's check one by one option. Option A is the only candidate key of R. Let's check A is candidate key or not. How will check one attribute is candidate key or not? We need to find its closure. If its closure contain all the attribute, then it is the candidate key. A positive closure, that will be A. From A, B, C, E, F. Now from B, C, A is already there. From E, D, G. So we are able to generate A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All the attribute, hence A is the candidate key. A is the candidate key, but in option it's written A is the only candidate key. Let's check, is there any other candidate key available or not. Now in option B, A and BC are candidate key of R. A is already candidate key, we already checked. Now we'll find BC is candidate key or not. So BC closure, that will be BC. From BC we can generate A. Next from A, BC, EF. BC is already there, so we'll write E, F. From E, D, G. We can generate A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All the attribute, hence BC is also candidate key. In option A, it's written A is the only candidate key. A is not the only candidate key. Rather than A, BC is also candidate key. Next check option C. Here it's written A, BC and E. We already checked A and BC are candidate key. Now we'll check E. E closure equals to E. From E we can derive DG, so DG. There are no way we can derive B, C, E, F or A from E. Hence E is not the candidate key as we cannot generate all attribute from E. Option C is false as E is not the candidate key. Option A is false as A is not the only candidate key. There is another candidate key, that is BC. Option B is true. Next option D, relation R is not in BCNF. For BCNF, all the LHS attributes should be candidate key. A is the candidate key, BC is the candidate key. Okay, but what about E? E is not the candidate key. Hence, this is not in BCNF. Option D is true as here it's written not in BCNF. For BCNF, BC should be subset of A or A should be subset of BC. There is no relation between A and BC. A and BC are separate candidate key. And all the LHS are not candidate key. So option D is true. Hence answer will be option B and option D. A and BC are candidate key and this relation is not in BCNF. I already discussed how to find candidate key, how to check one relation is in BCNF or not. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.